Thirikari no ithiete na mbere na guthurima mihang'o undu umwe na mehariria ma mathukuru kwamukira arutwo aria makaingira grade-ini ya kenda mweri-ini wa Januari mwaka ukite. Kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua mihang'o ino igutwarithagio na mbere ni anyiti itemi matiganite sekta-ini ya githomo, maabitha kuma ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa thiini, maabitha kuma kamiti ya arutani TSC undu umwe na arutani matiganite. Akiaria hindi ya guthurima mihang'o ino ari thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Olkalau kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, Mwandiki MUKARU ministry-ini ya githomo BELIO KIPSANG niugite thirikari NIIHARIIRIE wega gutigirira mihang'o ya arutwo kuingira grade ya kenda ndinatungwo ni mihinga oro yothe.
I would want to give assurance that so far so good in the junior school and in our primary school we have supplied all the instructional materials required in terms of books.
Mweri-ini wa mugwanja mwaka uyu ministry ya githomo ni yagerekire arutwo grade ya kenda igeranio iria mabatie gukaneka mwaka ukite. KIPSANG akiuga mubango uyu ni wa guteithiriria arutani kwihariria na igeranio iria makagereka arutwo.
We will be able to appreciate the type of assessment that our children will be running through in November next year. These are part of our preparation to ensure that we roll out our competence-based education in a way that meets the expectation of our children, one, and meets the expectations of our parents, and also meets the expectations of our country.
Na niguo kunina muthianiriro wa arutwo ndumwe na kumaheriera riega ria guthomera, ministry ya githomo iri mutaratara-ini wa kurikiriria waki wa irathi 11,000 cia junior secondary gwothe bururi-ini.
We want to assure all of us that as government we are already constructing 11,000 classrooms which are at various level of completion. We have done 3 classrooms for this school because there are 120 pupils in grade 8. We have also agreed with our head teachers and the heads of institutions that out of the capitation that we give them, we have 3,000 shillings that goes towards maintenance and improvement. Using that particular part of resource, they will be able to furnish the classrooms.
Oho KIPSANG ni ugite kwambiriria mweri wa Januari mwaka ukite, thirikari ni gwaka laboratory mwe kuri thukuru 1,600 iria itari na laboratory gwothe bururi-ini niguo gutigirira arutwo aria marathomera subject cia science, uthunduri na engineering na mathabu matiragiika.
Results that we get from this second pilot to do an extrapolation on how we shall do placement of our children in grade 10 in January of 2026. As we are all aware, placement in grade 10 will be based on pathways. We are all aware we are going to have 3 pathways: a pathway in STEM, a pathway in humanities, and a pathway in creatives and sports.
Ihinda-ini riu KIPSANG ni ugite thirikari ni igukorwo ikiheana riboti iria matanyite kwamukira kuma kuri gikundi kia ataramu matiganite aria marathurima thukuru cia gukoma hamwe na nyumba cia toro niguo iria igukorwo ciina muthianiriro wa arutwo. Thirikari ihote kuhe aciari motaro uria mabatie guthamiria ciana ciao thukuru-ini ingi ari njira ya kunina muthianiriro na mitino itiganite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.